Good morning, my name is Eric Morales. At this time, I'm gonna show you. Well, I come in here to pick it up small tree that fallen down last night with a heavy wind. So let me show you how is the process. So this is the tree. It's not too big, but enough too small. So I have to cut it all this thing in pieces and bring it to the dump. So this thing is probably gonna take me like an hour, 2 hours probably, because the owner don't want to see all this mess in here. So almost hit the windows in here, but there was a lot of mess in here. So I'm gonna take care of it and bring it to the dump. And then I'm gonna show you after when I finish clean all the stuff.